So check this out. I went to Torrance the other day to get some work done on my car. And usually when I go to the burger stand on the corner to get something to eat while they working on the car. So I'm walking up and I notice I don't see no cars around, no people. And I look and I see like debris from a burnt building in the trash. I'm like, what's going on? So I walk back around to the back. I see it's yellow tape and it's a big old hole in the roof. I'm like, wow. So obviously there was a fire that happened, so it shut down. So I go back to the mechanic and I like ask them what's going on, and they like, allegedly it was a grease fire. And oh yeah, if you need any work done on your car, go to Japanese Auto in Torrance.
BZFilmz.com. Calculate, capture, create.